not here, you're really missing out. As you can see, I'm standing next to the woman of the moment. This is Boyiti Tulo. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm also good. I feel so good right now because I just watched your performance. You just stepped off from the stage and you nailed it with only just 2 tracks, but it was lit. It was on fire.
Thank you so much. Yeah, the crowd was incredible. They gave me so much love, and I always perform off of the energy of the crowd, so I'm very happy.
Seeing something like that from you just makes me want more and more and more.
There's more coming, so
There's more coming?
patience. Yeah, there is, of course.
Perfect. Well, you said it will never decline. And look at the combos. They are communicating. Cover the clutch bag. Do you see that? It's LV. Cover the belt. Cover the belt. It's never declined.
Not for now. It's never gonna decline.
We're sticking all the way up to the ceiling, right? How does it feel for you to be in such an occasion?
It's always amazing. I love Pop Bottles. I love Dimples. I think he's built this brand so beautifully, and he's done such a fantastic job. So I love seeing it grow more and more, and hopefully he can take it further and further across Africa and the world, because it's dope.
It's Channel O Pop Bottles 2019 in Durban. Arababon Bakai. Rababon.
How about Bonnie?
What do we say to haters now in 2019?
How about Bonnie?
Do we even still have energy for them?
No, we don't even acknowledge them.
Any few words for those that look up to you?
Sorry?
Any few words for those that look up to you?
Keep believing in your dreams and chase them relentlessly. Don't let anyone talk you out of your passion.
Can I just ask you one question? Do I qualify as a snack?
Yeah,
Nyana, nyana.
yeah, you can stay at the table of snacks. Yeah.
Yeah, Boyiti qualified me. You heard it. It's a vibe. It's nice to meet you. Have a fantastic night.